Hello from Slovenia again. Before I start my today's pour, I just want to show you the dry result from PBO glitter paints. I use this red one, this really red one. The other one is just a Bordeaux red from my Mary. It doesn't have a shimmer glittery look, but those colors dried so beautiful. I hope that you can see the shimmering, the glittery look in gold and this red. It's just gorgeous. Maybe I can do like that to maybe bring a little glittery look. And I love the whole painting, I have to say, because it's just, I love it. So, now to today's painting. Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will play with my fluid paints a little bit. So, for those who know acrylic pouring, fluid art techniques, you know that sometimes you get the beautiful drips on your surface when you tilt your canvas. So I thought to do a split cup pour with some paints that I have still left. So Amsterdam, greenish blue Amsterdam, Naples yellow Amsterdam bronze, Pebeo iridescent blue green, and Descartes snow white. And I will pour here and try to kind of transfer this on this bigger canvas. I have 8 by 8 inch canvas and 12 by 16 inch. So first I will fill my split cup. Okay, and I will pour some titanium white here and spread it out a little bit just to have something that paint will flow on. I think, I don't know, it's my first time, but I said this a lot of times before. I love acrylic pouring because it's endless. Your imagination can go really wild and try this, that, a lot of things. It's not boring, never. Okay, and a little bit of white on the little one too. Okie doke. So let's start pouring. I hope that you will see this on camera. Just a second. here is a close-up. It's not exactly what I had in my mind, but I'm in love with some details there, and I know that it will dry gorgeous. See some faces in here. I have to watch my video and see what I did for the here where I like the effects the most. Kind of like the transparency and the bronze and iridescent. PBO will dry really nice, so I believe that it will be a nice painting. With the canvas, other canvas, it was not something nice, so I just dip it. Maybe I will just add a little more paint here and dip it once more. I will show you the dry results just right after this. So this is the dry painting with a lot of shimmer. And transparency. It didn't turn out as I hoped, but still kind of a cool painting. Bronze from Amsterdam is just beautiful. Some iridescent blue-green. Those lines. And this is the smaller canvas. I didn't like it, so I just dip it, and I still didn't like it, and then I sprinkle some silicone oil on top to bring some colors out, and I like it now. And I kind of like the idea that you don't need to add silicone oil into your paints. You can just sprinkle on it and you can get some nice effects. So those are two paintings from today's video. I really like the colors in this one. Not exactly what I was planning, but still want to show you this one. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.